we identified different perspectives of how do we actually get touch free. In Hyderabad, we always had what's called an e-boarding process. We have also brought in various aspects. For example, at the entry gate, we introduced a camera-based technology where the documents could be verified by the security staff without needing to touch them. We also introduced in certain gates where people may not be tech savvy, so they could use Plexiglass. Plexiglass was a barrier between the security staff and the passenger. So with these two measures, we reduced the touch point at the entry gate. Thereafter, the protocol which has been put forth by the Government of India is that all passengers who travel in India during this domestic phase would need to do an e-check-in before they come into the airport. So wherever almost 80-85% or 90% of the passengers do this check-in and when they come into the airport, so it's very easy. However, where passengers do not are unable to do the e-check-in because of their perhaps technical understanding, what we have done is we have actually put in our CUS machines a touchless mode. We have a QR code. With the help of the QR code, if you actually scan the QR code on your mobile phone, your mobile handset becomes your CUS machine keyboard. And with the help of that, we were able to generate your boarding card as well as your bag tag. So these are things which we did at the check-in. And the person who enters the terminal has already completed the check-in process before entering the terminal. Thereafter, again, when they go to the retail or the F&B outlets also, we have put Plexiglass, and where also we are encouraging e-payments. So the exchange of things are reduced. Even the food which is served in these points, we're actually ensuring they are pre-packed and they are actually served along with disposable forks and knives, so that the element of touch can be reduced to a great extent. The passengers who are actually coming into the airport and all our employees, first phase we have a thermal check. So just to check the passenger terminal temperature, they are normal. And it's only the person who has not showing any symptoms is allowed to travel in India. So what we do is we have kept at various locations hand sanitizers, then PPEs are available. So the entire journey, we try to give them the comfort that they have the access to the necessary PPE. In addition to this, what we're also doing is that we have various places where trolleys, for example, if people do use the trolleys, we actually have a trolley sanitizing station. Then for our baggage, hand baggage check-in process, there are tubs. Those tubs are getting sanitized. So before each person uses. So various processes we have introduced which actually tend to again reduce the possible touch points which are actually can be contamination. One more thing which we did is that at the water fountains, there was earlier a touch button. So people had to touch the button to drink the water. So now we have made it proximity based. So the person goes near the water fountain, automatically water starts coming out. So these are small things. We just start to go into very small details. Thank you.